In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collapsible text in Wix Editor. If you're building a page with lots of information, but want to keep things clean and easy to scan, collapsible text is a great solution. It lets visitors expand sections when they want more details and keep them closed when they don't. This keeps your design tidy while still giving access to everything important. First, make sure you're working inside the Wix editor for the site and page you want to update. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the main toolbar. Click the Add button, the one marked with a plus symbol. This opens a panel with different types of elements you can place on your page. From there, select Text and then choose Collapsible Text. This option is specifically designed so you don't have to build the expand and collapse behavior from scratch. It comes ready with the toggle interaction included. Once you select Collapsible Text, your mouse will carry the element so you can place it. Move your cursor over the canvas and drag the collapsible text box onto your page. Position it where it makes the most sense for your content, typically under a section heading within a FAQ area or anywhere you want optional details to live. As you drag, pay attention to the pink alignment guides. They help you snap the element into clean alignment with other items on the page. You can also drag the sides to adjust the width so your lines are comfortable to read and don't stretch too far across the screen. Think about the flow of your page when placing it. If the collapsible text holds secondary information, keep it slightly below the main headline or call to action so it doesn't steal attention. Grouping related collapsible items close together can create a clear rhythm for readers who are scanning. Leave consistent spacing above and below the element to maintain visual balance, and avoid crowding it against images or buttons. As you place the element, consider what visitors will see first. The label or question on the collapsible header should be short, descriptive, and easy to scan. The idea is to make it obvious what's inside without taking up too much space. If you plan to use several collapsible items, aim for consistent phrasing and lengthen the headers so the page feels coherent. That's all you need to add collapsible text in Wix Editor. Select it from Add, Text, Collapsible Text, then drag and position it where it supports your content best. Keep your layout thoughtful and your page will stay clean while still delivering all the detail your audience needs.